Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is Veda day 7. Is it 7? Wow, a whole week's gone by. They just fly by now, don't they, really, on lockdown. So back in the garden, as you can see, and I actually straightened my hair. Thought I'd practice what I was preaching yesterday and not let myself go any more than I already have. So yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. It was kind of like shaped, but it was this bit looked a bit fuzzy. So that's the trouble, it's getting like it needs a trim up. And I did ask Gary to do it. The look of horror on his face was funny, and the look of horror on mine when he said okay. But my sister actually got her husband to do hers and sent me a picture yesterday. So yeah, what we have to do. But you know, I don't know, at least it's growing. It's really got quite long. I can't believe how long it's getting. So one good thing about not being able to go to a salon is we just might leave it alone and it might grow. That's if we want our hair to grow, that is. I do quite fancy it long again. It used to be really long, but I've never been able to get it back there. So unless it all breaks off for over bleaching or going mauve, whatever I intend to do with it, hopefully we're leaving it alone, we'll just make it longer. So right, what am I going to do today? What am I going to talk to you about? Well, apart from Boris Johnson going into intensive care, which is a bit scary, Dominic Raab being his stand-in, he's not got the passion in his voice when he speaks, and I tried to listen to him, but he just bored me a bit, unfortunately. It was kind of like, it was like, you know, Homer when he goes, here's everyone go blah 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 blah. That's what it sounded like. He needs that passion to make us listen. So hopefully Boris will kick this and get out of there and get back to running the country. It's weird, isn't it? You know, he and oh my goodness, name escapes me, got it at the same time. And I can't even think about it now, what his name is. Anyway, that's because I want to find it in the brain and it won't come out. So anyway, they got it at the same time. One comes back to work within a week, the other one intensive care. Why is that? What is it? What is this, the criteria within us that kind of means that one of us it shrugs off and one of us it takes over? Just don't know. They need to find out about this virus's pathology, I guess. So the other thing I wanted to talk about, other than boring old politics, is this. This is the cushion, that I used to sit on before I made the cushion for my tush. You know, it's kind of, can you see it's sort of shaped? Put it back. I've got about 4 or 5 of these, and I want to make some covers for them for the garden furniture. I can take them in and out, it doesn't have to be always in the garden, but I want them to be durable enough to stay in the garden. So what to make them with? Now I've got some anti-pilling yarn that I got from Ice Yarn when I did my Ice Yarn order, and you can see that in my haul if you haven't seen it already. And it's quite nice, anti-pilling print. So it kind of reminds me of deck chairs in a way, because it's all the colours that you used to have in them, so that might be a good one to use. I also have some anti-pilling yarn that Glenda from Creative Grandma sent me when we did our yarn swap ages ago now, but that sun is really burning my leg. So I've got that. I've got all those colour packs of cotton that I bought recently. The only drawback to those, this one might be nice for it, is it's really fine yarn, although that, oh no it is, it's really fine. And I've got these other ones that I bought recently, all these cotton ones, nice little ice creamy colours. But I've got the Jaipur and Malaga as well. There's the Malaga. So all of them, every one of them would look nice sit on the garden chairs. But do I want it to be durable? Do I need it to be cotton? Do I need it to be that anti-pilling? Ow, getting a burny leg. It's crazy. So yeah, you could really get burnt today. It's so hot. Nice sea breeze though, that's where we're lucky. There's always a little bit of a breeze. Well, most of the time. So at least it's not ridiculously hot. But I could just do like a rainbow of colours on it, you know, like the they're so yummy, these ones. I really like. Wish I'd got more of those. There's always another order, isn't there? I guess if I get some more money, that is. So yeah, what do you think? Does it need to be cotton? Does it need to be anti-pilling? Or can I just get away with anything? Decisions, eh? That's the neighbours. I wondered, you know, if it's just me, or does it seem like the smallest of decisions now become the big things that we talk about? What are we going to have for dinner today? Shall I take that tree out? You know, things you just were insignificant because it's that's all you're doing, isn't it? That's all you're doing. So sorry about that. I don't know if you can hear it. It's life going on around me. I hope she doesn't swear. I don't think she normally does. Don't know, do you really? So yeah, Gary's been gardening this morning. He's been breaking up all the twigs because, you know, we're not allowed to have bonfires. So the pile has got considerably smaller where he's broken it up, but there's not really much we can do with it all until life gets back to normal. If it gets back to normal for quite some considerable time. I keep seeing how life will not be the same again. I guess it will, you know. It's amazing how life does go on, doesn't it? Once things get back to some kind of normalcy, everything does eventually fade, but it just depends whether we ever really have 100% immunity to it. What happens with it, if it mutates, or it's already jumped species, so never mind. We'll put it all behind us one day. We will. So, well, I don't know what else to talk to you about today, apart from the fact that Gary has ordered some more flooring. So tonight, one of our jobs is to clear out the bedroom where my yarn is and completely renew the floor. So floor's coming tomorrow. He's got a little bit in the kitchen to do because he decided that under one cupboard was a bit spongy, so he took it out and it was bad, so he had to it's got to renew that. So I've got less cupboards in the kitchen now, which is fun. It's really burning. I've just got the sun's only coming through a little bit of this umbrella, but it's actually burning that part of my leg. I need to get some sun cream. I did order some, I think, factor 30, so it should sort me out. Trouble is, you know, if you want something though, you got to order it and pay delivery. I ordered some shorts today, shorts and vest tops, and as I hate myself absolutely beyond belief in vest tops, none of you will be seeing them. No, just for the garden, you know. Can't inflict that on the world, even a little bit of the world, even the teeniest bit of the world. Don't need to be seeing that. Not the arms anyway. Oh, I think Gary's home. I can hear banging. So I might just have to pause it in a sec. Otherwise he'll burst through the door loud, as he usually does. Bless him. But yeah, so we're going to be doing that later. Clearing out all the cupboards. They're going to have to go in the kitchen for a while and in the little bedroom and just make room for, get rid of everything out of there, and so we can do the work. More banging and sawing. He might be coming. Oh, I don't know, that was the front door. I might be safe. It depends where he's been, if he's unloading shopping or not. It hasn't been long enough to shop because we're still having to queue to get in those shops, and so I think he just might have gone and got some, ordered a bit more wood for the bit underneath. So, not really much else to talk about today apart from my cushion. The fact that I'm still practicing what I preach to keep up with things, and what to make my cushion, whether to taper it, make it square, I don't know, and what to make it out of. So if you've got any suggestions for me, pop them in the comment section. That's the word I'm looking for. Pop them in the comment section and I'll have a read. And I might do a live stream later if I can. So watch out for that, and I will see you all soon. Well, tomorrow, in fact, for my next Veda. So stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.